Sa halagang 4,000 pesos, meron ka ng AI-powered na smartphone na solid ang specs at pangmatagalan mo pang mga gamit. And this is the V70 Max by Nubia. Quick specs, it has a 6.9 inches display na may 120Hz na refresh rate, 6,000 mAh of battery na may 22.5 watts na fast charging, 50 megapixels na AI camera, 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and this phone is powered by Nubia AI. When it comes to daily use guys, sobrang smooth niya talaga, hindi yung maramdaman yung lag. Consistent yung kanyang 120Hz na refresh rate. Ang kunat din ng battery, almost 2 days hindi ko siya charge. At pasok na pasok din siya sa gaming because this smartphone has a Unisoc T7200 na processor. And because this smartphone is AI powered, marami kayong features na mga gamit na makakatulong sa inyo, lalo na sa camera department. Bonus pa dito guys, this smartphone has a fingerprint sensor na side mounted. And it also has a live island even though na teardrop yung kanyang notch. Masasabi kong pang matagalan tong smartphone na to, no, dahil unang-una sa build quality niya, the Nubia V70 Max is drop resistant up to 1.5 meters of height, and it also has an 800 plus cycle count. It means super smooth na itong smartphone na to, no, kahit after 2 years pa yan or more. Available itong smartphone na to sa lahat ng mga Nubia Philippines official online stores. You can check them out for more info.